The analysis of spectra from a multi-measurement acquisition will be used to illustrate the function of the element identification module and describe its features in more detail. The data from this multi-measurement acquisition consists of 5 spectra acquired at each of 25 different sample positions, i.e. a total of 125 spectra. So we first need to select the spectra for analysis. There is one file per sample position, but if we just select the first of these, Libsoft will automatically recognise that there are 25 related files and will offer to open either all of these or just the single file selected. We want to open all of them. We now need to configure the analysis. The default analysis configuration parameters will be used and all available elements selected for analysis. We'll also set the element to display to be aluminium. When the element to display is selected, the reference emission lines for that element are displayed in the panels at the bottom of the analysis display area. Once the analysis parameters have been configured and the spectra selected, the analysis can be initiated by selecting this button in the toolbar. Each of the spectra is loaded and analysed in turn. An indicator in the toolbar, labelled spectra remaining for analysis, indicates the progress of the analysis process. A table of results is displayed on the right hand side of the analysis display area, and maps of the results are displayed on the left. Both the table and maps are updated as each spectrum is analysed. Note though that the table of results and the maps only display data for the currently selected spectrum, which in this instance is spectrum 1. So as there are 5 spectra per sample position in this example, the table and maps will only update for every 5th spectrum loaded and analysed. Note also that the reference emission lines are hidden during the analysis procedure to minimise the processing time. On completion of the analysis, an option to save the result data will be presented so that they can be reloaded later if required. However, it is not necessary to do so at this point, as this button here in the toolbar can be used to do this as required at a later time. So we'll just cancel this dialog for now. Also on completion of the analysis, the reference emission line panels at the bottom of the analysis display are displayed for the current spectrum. The table of results, maps and these reference emission line panels are each described in detail in separate videos.